This is the HyperJuice 245W USB-C power bank. It's a powerful and portable external battery that's perfect for anyone on the go that needs an easy power solution. It's perfect for travel, work, and pretty much everyday use. Whether I'm traveling or out shooting videos for my channel, I always pack a power bank with me so I can keep my camera gear charged. And not because I forgot to charge something overnight, because I never forget to do that. I always forget to do that. I also bring a power bank with me whenever I'm out at like a coffee shop to do some editing. Hey, you're not a true YouTuber unless you've been in a coffee shop editing some videos.
One of us! One of us!
Anyways, I want to thank Hyper for sending the HyperJuice power bank to me. I've tried a bunch of power banks, especially when I'm traveling overseas, and this might be the last power bank that I ever need, until it eventually dies and I need to buy another one. So real quick, in the box you get, here's the packaging. Let's open it up. We got a USB-C to C cable, user guide, and the power bank itself. Feels really solid. There's a button here on the side to turn on the OLED display. Let's test it out real quick and charge my iPhone. Yep, definitely works. Alright, let's get into the specs. It weighs 765 grams or 1.68 pounds, and here's a size comparison with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It has a sleek design and robust build. This thing just feels premium. It's nice. This power bank has a 27,000 mAh charging capacity. It supports PD 3.0, PPS, and Quick Charge 4.0 Plus. You can charge up to 4 devices at the same time with its two 100W and two 65W USB-C power delivery ports. It has an OLED screen that shows real-time battery capacity status, as well as the power usage information. So you'll be able to see the voltage used per port, and you can also see how long it'll take for the battery pack to fully recharge. It allows 100W power delivery pass-through charging, so that you can charge a battery pack while charging up to 3 other devices. This power bank does comply with TSA requirements, so you can bring it on planes and your carry-on. So my biggest issue with this power bank is the fact that it doesn't have any USB-A ports. I know everything is going USB-C now, but I still have a lot of USB-A cables. I even have some devices like my Insta360 X2 that won't even charge with the USB-C cable. And yes, I even have some devices that still use micro USB. Do they even make USB-C to micro USB cables? Like, does anyone know if that exists? Either way, it would have been nice to have at least one USB-A port on here. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions about the HyperJuice power bank. But for now, I'm gonna go search if that USB-C to micro USB cable actually does exist. See ya.